My being finds rest in Elohim alone. From him is my deliverance. He alone is my rock and my deliverance, my strong tower. I am not greatly shaken. How long would you sail, amen? You crush him, all of you, like a leaning wall, a tottering fence. They plotted to topple him from his high position. They delight in lies. They barak with their mouth, but in their heart they curse. Selah. My being finds rest in Elohim alone, because my expectation is from him. He alone is my rock and my deliverance, my strong tower. I am not shaken. In Elohim is my deliverance and my esteem. The rock of my strength, my refuge is in Elohim. Trust in him at all times. You people, pour out your heart before him. Elohim is a refuge for us, Selah. Sons of Adam, a bud of breath. Sons of men are a lie. If weighed in the scales, they are altogether lighter than breath. Do not trust in oppression, and do not become vain in robbery. If riches increase, do not apply your heart to them. Elohim has spoken once. Twice I have heard this, that strength belongs to Elohim, and kindness is yours, O Yahuah. For you reward each one according to his work.